he is. Go. Nice. Okay. They'll feed on their way out of these flats. There he is. Oh, that's a decent fish. He's got shoulders at least. I don't know what's going to be seen about that. But that's another on the prime. GoPro, stop recording. There he is. Okay. Not a big guy. Really quality fish though. Oh, look at how yellow he is. Thank you, Mr. Bassy Bass. I need my 13 to 14 pound limit for bass. On the fried rat. No. Well, you know, if it happens on the fried rat, it happens on the fried rat. I can't fucking help that. These fish love this fucking gay little fly. Okay? Just like that! There we go. Oh, I love it! Oh, just like that. That's another good fish. We got shoulders at least. Oh, look at he ate it. Oh. Come on, dude. Can I have my rat back? Thank you. There he is. Oh, saw him come over the log after it. That's a good fish. Net. Or at least get down there and grab it. And he's got shoulders. I'll pick it back up here in a minute. I'm just trying to keep off the bank there. There he is. About 2.5, 3. Go. That is a nice looking fish. There he is. Way up in there. No, it's a big fish. It's a good fish. Net. Okay. 4 or 5 pounds. Hey. Yeah. That's a good fish. Come on, girl. Get your ass out of the weeds. Come here. Slop too. Oh, low. Come on. Don't stab at her. Just let her ride herself into it. Oh, there's the kicker. Oh,
okay, we can just go home now, right?
Yeah, we can just fucking go fucking home. Get him. Got it? Yeah.
There we go.